Hi, so we're going to start with our chocolate mold here. This is a chocolate mold that looks like a cacao pod, and we're going to polish it. Polishing is very important because we want to rub the cocoa butter into the mold to add a little bit of shine, but also as in polishing the mold with cotton. We're just going to go one by one and polish it really good, all the edges, so that there's nothing left into the mold. Also, if there's any water drops or anything left over, and as you see here on the cotton, there's still cocoa butter inside the mold, which we're just rubbing it into the mold because it's going to put a shine. We're just polishing our mold, which is, to me, one of the most important steps if you're molding chocolate. Okay? And you just do every one of them. So as you polish, you can see some of the cocoa butter residue, even though this has been washed. And you don't wash your molds very often, only because you don't want to remove that shine. You want to polish this as much as you possibly can from the leftover cocoa butter from your chocolate. So we're going to start the tempering process. And with tempering, you need a granite or marble top to start your tempering process, or you can also do a seeding process. But we're going to do both by using the granite and the seeding. So we have our tempered chocolate, and we also have our clean chocolate mold. So I'm just going to add chocolate to each cavity. This sometimes works a little better if you have a ladle. And make sure each cavity is filled with chocolate. And you have to work fast. Because your chocolate, the faster you work, the better off you are. But you need to work clean. I'm going to scrape the chocolate all the way across to make sure that each cavity is filled all the way. And then scrape all the chocolate off. Clean up your mold. Alright, there is a way of getting your air bubbles. You can tap them on the table, or I like our Home Depot remedy, which is a PVC pipe, and you just tap it on the side. See the air bubbles, and they're coming to the top? Alright, then I'm going to dump the chocolate back into the mold. I'm just going to help it out a little bit. We're going to clean this off. As you see, we've filled all of our mold with chocolate. And you want to do that process one more time. We're going to let that set for a minute or two. Once the chocolate sets up, then we'll do another layer. After that, you can put whatever filling you like inside your chocolate mold. Then we'll cover it completely. Okay? So here's our finishing product. As we have our chocolate liqueur that is now chocolate that is edible and ready to eat. And we've just shown you the process from bean to bar. As we have our cacao beans, our cocoa nibs, our molded chocolates, all made out of our CocoaTown melanger. Thank you for watching, and if you need more information, please go to www.cocoatown.com.